If you're looking for a fast, easy holiday item that you can make for a very low cost and sell it on the internet or at farmers markets or public events, or if you just want to make it for yourself, then I've got the perfect item for you. Hi, my name is Hugh Miller, and today I'm going to show you how I make this very simple holiday centerpiece plank. You can use this as a base with seasonal decorations for a dining room table, mantle, or a coffee table. It's easy to make, you don't need a fancy shop full of equipment, and it's a lot of fun. I'll show you how we decorate this board at the end of the video. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a common construction board from a local DIY supplier. I'm using a 2x8 pine board 30 inches long. If you don't have a handsaw, skill saw, or chop saw, you can probably get the DIY store to cut it to size for you. You'll just have to buy the whole board. You can use any size that fits your style or space. My old scrap board has a slight cup that can be removed with a surface planer, a hand belt sander, or a router on a slide. Or you can just buy a flat dry board and eliminate all of this. A few light passes through on both sides and it's good to go. When viewing the end grain, the arc of the growth ring indicates how the board may warp. Boards tend to warp away from the center. By making the top of the ring arc the bottom of your board, any future cupping will probably occur toward the underside. Pressure wash this board using a light-duty 1750 psi washer. It's plenty strong enough to gouge out the softwood in the grain. I check my progress frequently when operating. I can go as light or as heavy as I wish. It will probably take several hours or longer to dry out depending on where you live and the humidity level. This video is for informational purposes only. Flame treating wood involves fire and should only be done with proper safety precautions. I am not responsible for any injury, damage, or misuse resulting from this content. Always consult a professional and follow local regulations. This should never be done indoors. You personally assume all liability using this procedure. I am merely demonstrating how I flame treat the top, ends, and sides. After getting the desired effect, I spray the board with water and leave it outside to cool and dry. I only take it inside to finish once I'm completely sure there's no risk of fire. Sand the top and edges of the board to eliminate slivers and wood shards. If using a power sander, try to get the edge into the furrows to help clean out any debris. Use a wire brush or a stiff bristle brush to go over every bit of the surface. I don't want to seal any debris on the centerpiece. My board wasn't as dark as I wanted, so I'm applying a red oak stain. I brush it on the top, sides, and ends. Leave the bottom natural. Give the stain a few minutes to soak in, then wipe it off gently following the grain. Place the board on the little pin elevators to let the board dry evenly. After the board dries thoroughly, I give it a complete wipe down. This will get off any remaining dust on the plank. Now I'm ready to apply a sealer, which is a polyurethane coating with a satin finish to let the board show off its highlighted features. Use your elevated pins again to ensure even drying. Let this dry thoroughly and then you will be ready to add felt pads on the bottom. Here's your perfect distressed decorating base, and for a very insignificant price. You can change it up with the seasons. Here's our fall centerpiece. A close-up of the distressed surface on the 48-inch board we made previously. And our fall centerpiece with 6 electric candles, flower clips with silk leaves and pine cones. And a close-up of a fall arrangement on our 30-inch board. Or just a sprig of fresh cut or artificial florals. It all begins with this simple to make centerpiece plank. If this is your type of video, please like and subscribe. We've got lots of projects going forward.